Hi children, welcome back to your science class. Today we are going to start new block 8, living things. Yes, what are living things? Yes, the things that have life are called living things. Okay, so what are living things? The things that have life. Okay, the things that have life. That have life are called living thing. Okay, so the things that have life are called living thing. Then what are non-living thing? Yes, the things that do not have life are called non-living thing. Okay, the things that do not have life, the things that do not have life, the things that do not have life are called non-living things. Non-living things. So we studied what are living things and what are non-living things. The things that have life are called living things and the things that do not have life are called non-living things. Okay, which are the examples for living thing? Examples for living thing are living thing example. Okay, so the examples for living things are, we know what are the things that have life, that are living things. So we can say many examples: animals, birds, plants, insects, humans. Okay, etc. are the some of the examples for living things. So animals, plants, birds, then insects, humans are some of the examples for living thing. Then we know the things that do not have life are called non-living thing. So the things, which are the things do not have life, that all are the examples for non-living thing. So the examples for non-living things are, yes, we know turtle do not have life. Turtle do not have life. Then rocks, stone, chair. Then many example we can say: bag, box, pencil, pen. So these all are the examples for non-living thing. So we understood what are living thing and what are non-living thing. Now we have to study how can we and how do we understand a thing is living or non-living. That means what are the features of living thing, that is what we have to study in the next topic. Okay, next we have to discuss the features of living thing. Features of living thing. Features of living things, or how can we understand a thing is living or non-living. Okay, so one of the most important feature we can say, the living things need food. Okay, so one of the most important feature, living thing need food. Living thing need food. Okay, so all the living things need food. Animals, plants, insects, all the living things need food. Without eating food, the living things cannot live. Okay, so living thing need food. That is the one of the most important feature of living thing. The next important feature, living thing can grow. Living thing can grow. Okay, only the living thing can grow. Non-living thing cannot grow. Okay, so living thing only need food. Non-living thing no need of food. Living thing can grow, but non-living thing cannot grow. Okay, so all the living things can grow. That is the second feature of living thing. Then third one, living thing can move. Living thing can move. Okay, living thing can move from one place to another place. So we know all the living things can move, we told, but except one. Plants cannot move from one place to another place. How they can move? Yes, they can move only some part of the plant can move. How it is? Yes, whenever the wind is coming, we can find the leaves of trees or plants are moving. Then another example we can find that when we touch me not plant, it close their leaves, isn't it, children? Because it can feel when we touch the touch me not plant, it is closing their leaves. From this we can understand the plants can move. How it move? It cannot move from one place to another place, but some part of the plants can move. And we know sometime when we plant the trees are growing towards we know sunflower tree plant and all, we can see it is growing towards the sunlight. Okay, so from all these things we can understand that the plant can move. Some part of plant can move, but it cannot move from one place to another place. But but the animals can move from animals, humans, birds, insects and all can move from one place to another place. Okay. The next important feature of living thing is living thing can feel. Living thing can feel. Can feel. Okay. Living thing can feel. That is the another important feature of living thing. The next important feature of living thing can breathe. Living thing can breathe. Can breathe. So we know the living thing are breathing. All the living things breathe air. We studied oxygen, they need to breathe. Okay. So living thing can breathe. Without breathing, living thing cannot live. Okay. So living thing can breathe. The next important feature of living thing is living thing can reproduce. Living thing can reproduce. So how the living things are reproducing? Yes, in the case of plants, we know plants grow from seeds. We studied plants grow from seeds. Then how animals are reproducing? Yes, animals are reproducing by two ways. Which are the two ways? One way, they are giving birth. Some animals are giving birth. Animals and humans also giving birth to their babies, right? The next way the animals are reproducing, it is they are laying egg. Some animals like hen, snake and all laying egg. Some snakes are giving birth also, but some animals are laying egg and the egg hatches and babies come out. This is the way only these animals are reproducing. Two ways are there, giving birth and laying egg. These are the two ways animals are reproducing. Okay, so living things can reproduce. That is the another important feature of living thing. Then one more feature we can find that the living things have lifespan. Living thing have lifespan. Lifespan will be there. Okay, this much. That means if it is human, then we can see 70, 80 or 85 years we are living. And like that way animals also have lifespan. Okay, so each living thing have lifespan. Okay, so up to a certain age it will grow, it will live. Okay, so see, these are the some of the features of living thing. Okay, so what are the features of living things? Yes, living thing need food. Living thing need food. Living thing can grow. Living thing can grow. Living thing can move. Living thing can move from one place to another place. Okay, then living thing can feel. Living thing can feel. Okay, then living thing can breathe. Living thing can breathe. Each living thing are breathing. Okay, the next one, living thing can reproduce. Living thing can reproduce. And finally we can say that living thing has lifespan. They have lifespan. Okay, so these are the some features of living thing. So how can we classify or differentiate living thing and non-living thing? Yes, the just opposite of the features of living thing, it is non-living thing, right? So living thing can need food, then non-living thing no need of food. Living thing can grow, but non-living thing cannot grow. Living thing can move, non-living thing cannot move. Living thing can feel, non-living thing cannot feel. Living thing can breathe, non-living thing cannot breathe. Living thing can reproduce, but non-living thing cannot reproduce. Living thing have lifespan, but non-living thing do not have lifespan. This is the way you can differentiate living and non-living thing. Okay, now everybody take your workbook. Everybody take your workbook, page number 44, and write date at first. Yes, the name of the lesson is living and non-living. So first itself we can see one picture. So from this picture, look at the picture and we have to write the answers of these questions. Okay, list 2 living and 3 non-living things that you see in the picture. So how can we write 2 living things? Which are the 2 living things we can find here? Yes, boys and fish. So you can write the living thing, living, boys and fish. Boys and fish. Then 3 non-living things also we have to write there. So 3 non-living things, which are the non-living thing we can find there? Yes, we can find water. Then stone we can find the stone or rocks we can find. And glass we can see. Glass, it is aquarium. Aquarium, then we can write glass also. Okay, imagine it is an aquarium, then we can write glass also. We can find as the. Okay, second question, how do you know that these things are living? How do you know, children? Yes, many ways we can say these things are moving, these things are breathing. Many way we can write. Okay, so how can we write the answer? Yes, these things are moving by their own. These things are moving by their own. Okay, these things are moving by their own. Many way we can write. Okay, I wrote only one way. Then third question, write 2 ways in which living things are different from non-living things. So many ways we can write. Living thing can grow, living thing can feel, living thing can move. So many way we can write. So any 2 way we can write now. Okay, living things can grow. Living things can grow. And one more we can write, living things can move. Living things can move. So any 2 way you can write, children. Okay. Then fourth question is, are all living things natural? Give reason for your answer. Yes, what is the question? All the living things are natural or made by human? Yes, all the living things are natural because it is not made by humans or it is not made by us. Okay, so how can we write? All living things are natural. It is not made by us. It is not made by us. Made by us or humans. Made by humans. Okay, so like this way you have to write the workbook. So next we have to do practice question. So first practice question is, circle the odd one out and give reason for your answer. So first one, car, pen, grass. Which is odd one? Yes, it is grass because grass is living thing. Second one, mango tree, table, boy. Which is odd one? Yes, it is mango tree, table, boy. Which is odd one? Table. Why it is odd one? Because table is non-living thing. Second question is, write true or false. All living things need food. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Second one, all living things reproduce by laying egg. Is it true or false? It is false. Why it is false? All living things reproduce by laying egg. That is the question. It is not correct because all the living things are reproducing by 2 ways we studied. Animals, then we studied 2 ways. Which are the 2 ways? Yes, laying egg and giving birth. Then plant we know it grow from seeds. So it is not correct. Okay, so it is false. Then third question, write 5 features of living things. So you can write any 5 features. Living thing can grow, living things can move, living things need food, living things can feel, living thing can breathe, living thing have lifespan. Okay, so like that way you can write any 5 features. Okay, so this much enough for today's class. Hope you all understood today's class. So we will meet in the next class.